Lista module third. First of all, we will solve here activity third. Choose yes or no. First, one's ability to be truthful and sincere towards one's feelings and thoughts, both about one's own self and that of others. Correct answer? Yes. One's judgment and discriminant of students' behavior. Correct answer? No. One's ability to make students follow their direction. No. How quickly one can win the confidence of students. Correct answer? No. Our score is 4/4. Now we will solve activity 5. Choose true or false. First question. Communication can be verbal and non-verbal. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कम्युनिकेशन कैन बी वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल. करेक्ट आंसर ट्रू. नेक्स्ट, कम्युनिकेशन इज ओनली अबाउट लिसनिंग एंड रिप्लाइंग. फॉल्स. सेइंग समथिंग इन ए shaky voice is communication. Correct answer true. To ensure effective communication, one has to focus only on what a person is saying. Correct answer false. Our score is 4. Now we will solve main quiz answer of third modules. In quiz questions of next module third. First, in case of a conflict amongst your students, which strategy would you apply as a teacher? Correct answer option D. Facilitate a dialogue between the students. Effective communication is taking place when it is fluent. Taking responsibility for one's own actions reflects positive social skills. Which of the following is not essential for effective communication? Giving all the answer. To communicate respect to learners, a teacher needs to address them by their name. Which of the following is not a way of communicating empathy? Correct answer option C. Showing pity for person. The best way to describe the role of a teacher in the present context is teacher as a counselor. Listening attentively is a sign of communication. As a teacher facilitator, which approach would you think is best to develop personal social qualities in the learners of secondary stage? Correct answer. Giving example of other learners who coding you are good. To help develop a positive environment, one must be patient and caring. Which of the following is effective non-verbal communication? Maintaining eye contact when listening. Empathy is when is understanding others' concern and context. Geeta likes to win every activity she takes part in, both in the classroom and outside. Correct answer sporting spirit. Greeting students with a warm smile as they enter school helps to develop. Correct answer option C. Trustworthiness. Next question. Which of the following statements is not correct? A diverse classroom is a hurdle in creating learning opportunity for all. If a student always gets into conflict when working in a group, the student need to learn cooperation. For effective communication, option C, one must speak, listen and respond. For effective communication, correct answer option D, one must speak, listen and respond. Which of the following statements show a positive self-attitude Correct answer. I will make all attempts to manage conflicts in workplace. Which of the following are characteristics of sensitive person? Correct answer. Able to observe others' language proficiency. When you are attentive to the content as well as the feeling of what a person is saying, you are. Correct answer. Passive. We have completed 20 question. Now submit and our score is in your font. Thank you.